ELAM stands for Latin American School of Medicine. In Spanish is Escuela Latinoamericana de Medicina, and it's an educational institution based in Havana, Cuba, and it is training thousands of doctors. We are talking about more than 10,000 doctors since the first class graduated in 2005.
It was a concept that Fidel Castro put out several years ago, where what he was seeing is there was really not a good system of developing doctors to really serve in the poorest of the communities.
Most of the students receive full scholarships, and that allows them to get the medical formation they couldn't have otherwise in their own home countries.
They're really working in the areas where nobody else wants to work, but it's correctly stated where people need the service the most.
We work with ELAM grads in the way we traditionally work with many other institutions in Latin America. We provide them with the materials they need in order to serve their population better.
Well, how we collaborate has really evolved over time. I started really working in Cuba when they were studying and providing what we call medical kits, which were just basic backpacks that would have things like ophthalmoscopes, minor surgery kits, mark manuals, and then once they were back home, they had like basic instruments that they could use to provide medical service, and we still continue that project.
One of the first projects that Global Links did with ELAM graduates was to support the creation of the first Garifuna hospital in Honduras. Garifunas are an ethnic group in Honduras, and they have been historically marginalized. So having a first group of Garifuna doctors graduate at the ELAM school was a huge event.
When I'm with them and I talk to them, I really come back and I think of what could I give? Here are these individuals who have so little, and yet, they go a year without pay and continue to work, or, they raise up from their own funds and, buy an ambulance and go and help people. Like, what else could I be giving? So they really make you think about yourself and what does it mean to be a human in your community, and what could you give?